So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload CapCut edited videos to your YouTube. First of all, what you need to do, you need to open CapCut app. After that, let's assume that you have already created the project. For example, in my case, that USB testing is my project. Here, what I need to do, I need to go a little here, export section. I have already edited it. So I will go to export section here, and I can rename it here and also choose the path where I want to download it. For example, in my case, I want to install or export it to pictures. So I export it. After the export process is done, I need to open folder, and here there you go. This is the video I just imported, sorry, exported. So here I need to open Google Chrome or any browser. And after opening YouTube from Chrome or any browser, you can see here the create option on the top right corner, and you need to go ahead and upload videos. And you can see this page popping up. Here you can see select files, and here you need to locate the file where you have downloaded the CapCut edited app. No, CapCut edited video. For example, in my case, I have uploaded into pictures, and you need to open the same video here and wait for a few moments here. And also you can change the name here, you can add the description here, you can go below and change anything, thumbnail, video elements and all that. Thanks, have a nice day.